let's learn how to do this pattern 6 of right pyramid in Python. Hmm. So this is also half pyramid, pattern 6, this is also half pyramid. So one thing you can notice here, you take 5, there are 5 uh, stars here, right? 5 spaces occupied. So which means that, it is going, when it is, uh, when row is 1, you have to print 4 spaces and 1 star. When row is 2, you have to print 3 spaces, 2 stars. Okay. So same thing for row in range, take n equal to 5, range of 5, and for call range of call row. Okay. Print, just do, okay, we're not there yet, just try this one. Exit. Okay, we have to give some print here, new line. There you go. So now here comes the actual. Where let's think. Okay, instead of printing star here, okay, no, we are printing star here, right? And we have to, instead of that, print up 3 spaces. Okay, which is let's say row is 1, right? When row is 1, okay, so we have to print we have to execute that 5 times. Well, that is quite easy with formatting. You know that, right? Formatting is quite easy. Now, we choose not to do with the format syntax, new format syntax. Now, try to print using okay, print a star or space. Okay, when when you want to print? So remember that logic where it is row 1, you have to print 4 spaces, 1 star. Okay, so if we need to check the condition, that is where call, okay, call not greater than, sorry, put the condition not, call should be greater than or equal to, for suppose call is 1 and row is 5, sorry, sorry, row is 1, okay, column is, yeah, so for suppose take this here, which is row 1, okay, I have to print space, 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 okay, and let's subtract from column from row, okay, just the whole logic is that, whole idea is that how to, we need to use conditional statements to determine the perfect logic to identify these spots. Okay? Now here you are printing spaces. And when you want to print the star, okay? No, you mean you wanted to put condition here? No, you are printing here, right? Here is what I'm trying to explain. I have whole row. So when it is row 1, you wanted to print spaces in a whole row, but last one. Okay, the position. When the position is 5. When the position is for the second row, when the position is for second, 5 minus 2. Okay. Uh, yeah. So in three spaces, three locations, first three locations you want to give spaces. 5 minus, when in a third row, 5 minus 3, you get 2. First two positions, you, okay, you want to print spaces, right? That is what, okay? So give here, if, just, don't worry about that. Let's do one thing. No, just let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this one. Okay. Using format string. Using format string, you don't have to use the dot format. Okay. Row. Okay. Call. I'm giving. And let's give here row minus call. Okay. Let's execute this one. Tab. Let's give some tab. Okay. Check this one. This, what is this? This whole thing is rectangle. Can you see here? This is what I mean to explain. Okay. For a first row, okay. So instead of row minus call, we can do the call minus row. But anyway, we have to take the, we can take the absolute. Okay. For a first row, we wanted to print spaces here till minus 2. Sorry, till minus 3. Okay. For the second row, 1. For third row, till minus just 1. Okay. Like that. Okay. Such a case, what we have to do, we have to take the condition, right? That is where we, okay. Mm, we take a n. Okay, see here I haven't given another thing, n. Okay, so here row is changing, column is changing. Let's give, let me make it clear with another one. Okay, n minus row. N is constant here, row is changing, column is changing. Okay, let's run this one again. Okay, check this one. uh No. Rho is for this whole inner loop. Rho is constant. See, for here 5, for here 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have to have to give column. Okay, now check this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Hmm? So here this whole thing is rectangle here, and I wanted to print if it is first row. Okay, so I wanted to print when it is one only. Check this one. We are see this is simple one, but uh, formulating this condition properly. That is why learning trying to if you try to do these patterns, that will actually force you to think those patterns, because there you will use all constructs we learn, conditions, loops. Okay, and so here, check this one. This one we have when it is row 1, we wanted to print when it is 1. Okay, we wanted to print when it is uh less than, well, sorry, don't be confused here. When it is row 1, we wanted to print when this condition is 1 only. When it is row 2, when we wanted to print, that is when this n minus column yields us 2 or 1. Okay, when it is row 3, we wanted to print these 3 positions, right? 3, 2, 1. When it is row 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? So let's put this thing if, okay? Okay, so n minus col, okay, less than or equal to rho. Okay, so let's print this statement. What you will get. Okay, so else, otherwise, what you wanted to print, we wanted to print just empty. Okay, you see this one, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? Okay, let's do, yeah, let's do this one. Print. Ah, okay, and here you see end. I want to use the end. Okay, uh, what happened? You see. Okay. See this one. We just last use this here. Yeah. Can you see? Did you get the result what we expected? Right? Okay. that space, okay, q space here, then in such a case q space here. There you go. Okay. Got it? Let's not use space. Let's check this one. So what happened here? What happened here? This whole rectangle, right? We are printing only. See this. All this one selected. This whatever is highlighted here, those are the spaces, right? This is the one. Okay. But only star that is printed when n minus column is less than or equal to row. Okay. So check this one. You can also check this. Enable this one. Okay. Disable comment that. Check this. Okay. Can you see? I can remove the whole comment here. This. Remove the condition. Check what is happening. Right. So when it is 1, right? Can you see here? N minus column is less than or equal to row. Okay. When it is second row, we are actually printing when n minus column less than or equal to row, which in this case row is 2. So which is condition will be true if it is 2 or 1, right? When it is star row, condition will be true if it is 3, 2 or 1. Got it? Huh? And it is 4 will be true when it is 4, 3, 2, 1. When it is fourth row, n minus column, we wanted to do that. So this is n minus column, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We wanted to print star when it is less than or equal to row, which means n minus column less than 4, which means you will all these 3 positions. Sorry, all these 4 positions. So that is how pattern is print. Okay, so we have used here not only loops but also conditions to conditionally print a spaces and a stars. Okay, so instead of star, let's give here what? Then give column n minus 1 column n minus column. Okay, check this 1 to 1 3 to 1